Join me on today's episode of Jerry's Adventures, where I visit Wild Florida Gator Park, the park in the middle of nowhere, located at the start of the Florida Everglades. We're sure to find some ferocious fun.
What if we had to do that? What if, if there's a boy, if there's a boy gator and there's a girl gator, why is it shaking? They're all from America. Maybe. Here, Gators, you want to cool off too?
Hello. Good, how are you?
See? What the heck?
I love you.
Look at the size of these horns on
Is it
this
a bull,
cow.
Mom?
Holy
You know, like
cow.
Ferdinand, can I have your autograph with your horns? Your horns should be the pencil or the pen or whatever.
Hey, those big old horns on that thing, why do they tilt their heads?
Because it's too heavy.
Too heavy.
Yeah, because then they'll tip because they can't like keep it straight because it'll give them bad control, like bad like stable. What the heck?
Wait, what is that?
A zebra.
This is a lemur. Would you like to hear a fun fact about lemurs? Did you know that 60% of them will die from a fall out of a tree? That's a fun one for you, huh? Welcome to the Florida swamps. It's very swampy out here. Lots of cypress trees. And strange sounds in the Florida swamps. What if that's Bigfoot? It's a bit spooky out here too. Let's take a walk down and see what we see. Well, this was a most amazing place. All kinds of really cool stuff. Heck, there's even turtles over there. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Watch my further adventures of Jerry's Adventures. And I'll see you on our next adventure. It's a cool place.
Barnyard? Well, I'll use the boneyard now because there's bones, and are those real bones? Because that's disgusting. Because I've seen pictures of bones, but I don't know how, but like in something, and they look so